Taiwan and Somaliland are friends. Our friendship is based on shared values and interests. We are both vibrant democracies with a culture of free and uninhibited participation of our citizens in the governance of our respective countries through multi-party democracy and universal suffrage guaranteed by our respective constitutions. We have free-led economies, free market-led economies, free enterprise, competition, free press, and freedom of association. We have a vibrant and free space for political and social participation. Both of our countries coincidentally face the unique situation of not being fully recognized, which is a challenge to both of our countries. We are dealing with this in our separate ways and unique ways and sharing our experience.